Throughout this course, basic knowledge of Blender is required. If you're already familiar, awesome, you can skip ahead to section 2. I would still strongly suggest you go through this section for tips on how to get the most out of this course. Some of the proposed tools might interest you. If you are completely new, no worries, I'll give you a quick tour of the fundamentals, so don't run away. You need a computer with a decent hardware, namely with a good graphics card. Most current desktop, laptops, and even smartphones carry very capable generation of GPUs. Not to mention, we are in the era of mobile games, such as Fortnite, so I wouldn't worry too much. This course requires a graphic tablet. You won't need it right away until we get to the sculpting section. You can still use a mouse at this point, but the experience won't be ideal. So definitely I would strongly recommend you invest in one. You can get an entry model for just $30 to $40, or even a second-hand, or better, a legacy model for just $20 from Amazon. I still have this discontinued version. As a matter of fact, I used it to craft this model for this course. At the end of this section, I have included a couple of appendix videos that are part of one of my upcoming Krita drawing course that discusses graphic tablet if you are interested.